Damn, I look cute, boy. Oh my god. Shit, I'm out of ticket. You got the tickets?
They're right there.
It's one of them. Oh.
Look at this.
Look, oh, you got wings. I ain't get wings, y'all.
Girl, you got me the thing. I was like, okay.
Mm-hmm. Ain't good for you, man. How you see, bro? Wake up every morning, I have murder on my mind. What time is it?
Look at your phone.
12:55.
How you know that?
Alright, nigga, don't put that shit in the sun. I gotta put it on the ground.
Ew. Okay. That's what I mean. You was, oof.
The lies she tell y'all.
Let me put this thing on you and let me put this Zaxbys on you and lick it off.
Let me put some whipped cream on your pussy and lick it off.
Shut. This is not rated R.
I don't care.
PG-13. I want to eat first.
Bread.
Bread.
That shit buzz. That be good as a bitch, boy. Oh shit.
Oh, you wanted McDonald's.
Not no more. Not you. Too bad I got you. If you got king. I get some water in my system.
Drink too much soda, that's why I got bumps. Y'all want to see the movie we want to see?
You asked them to show them.
I said y'all want to see the movie we want to see?
They ain't on there, so why you gonna ask them?
Shut up. Do it anyway.
A rhetorical question she can answer herself.
Wake up in the morning.
I'm full now, boy. Oh shit. Night school, but huh? Night school here? I can't remember night school in high school. Tell them how many times you went to night school. Cause you wanna skip and shit. You wanna skip, not do work, skip and do other things you're supposed to be doing. Tell them how many times you went to night school.
I didn't have night school.
You went to night school 2 times a day, y'all. What kind of shit is that?
No, I didn't.
In the morning, that's morning school. School, then night school. She went to school 3 times a day.
No, I didn't.
I'm doing it.
Oh, if you're hungry, don't watch this. I hate watching food videos when I'm hungry. I like. What? Oh, smacking?
I'm good. What was you doing last night?
What? Shut up.
Yeah, what was I doing last night? All that smacking? Hey, next time you tell me you don't be with me no more, I'm gonna ask you. I'm gonna tell you. Next time, Jordan unsigned to Nike. Yeah, no, I'm gonna say next time Jones go out of stock. Ain't gonna happen. Shit. You part that big right
I'll
now?
stop loving you when the blue turns. I said when the blue. When the moon turns blue. That's when I'll stop.
I'll stop loving you. When my car turned black.
You don't paint it black. Spray paint.
I'm done. I'm full now. And a little Zack Snack got me good. That Zack Snack got me looking great. That's Zack Snack. Now y'all wanna go to Zaxbys, y'all wanna get full fast, go get a Zack Snack. How much was it, Princess? It was $6 and
Something.
whoa. It was $5.99, $6. Hers was $10, y'all. Her water was $1.
You can't see me.
Yep, hers was $10, y'all. I don't know why.
Put them in your glove box. When you get like napkins, put them in there because someone always needs napkins when they're in the car.
Someone?
Like people, me. There ain't be nobody else.
That's what I'm saying. Someone?
Like they say.
Wake up every morning, I got murder on my mind. AK-47 Gloss 29. Open that for me. Alright, we ain't got long more now.
Got some in there. I think that's cookout ones.
Yeah, you always eat. Eat. Fat ass.
I'm on my lip gloss.
I'm your lip gloss. Put some nut in your mouth. That's lip gloss.
Come on, stop.
AK-47 29. Hope you don't want nothing now. I can bring my wallet.
Are you bringing your license?
Supposed to. Save a couple
Wait,
minutes.
is night school radar?
Nope. Did she ask my license?
I don't know, that's what it was.
I'm legal, man. Hey, look at my favorite belt. I'm a Camel fan, y'all. Like, look. Steering wheel kits, camouflage night. Camouflage night.
What are you doing?
Then my Rush camouflage. I might get my picture some camouflage, y'all, boy.
I don't wear camouflage.
I'm trying to bad bitch you start. Watch when the cold weather come. I'm gonna get you a camouflage jacket like I got. Everything camouflage. Camouflage. Eat my tattoo camouflage. Look, hair rescue. Got it. Look, that's camouflage. That's camouflage. Look, my tattoo's camouflage.
No, he's not.
Come on, do a face. You screenshot this. Give me a kiss, bro.
Okay. Okay.
One more for Johnny King.
Who's that?
And that's it, y'all. Peace.